Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting problem from Leet code, Zigzag conversion. This problem is a great way to practice string manipulation and understand how to transform strings based on specific patterns. So, let's get started. First, let's understand the problem statement. You're given a string s and an integer number rows. The string s is written in a zigzag pattern on a given number of rows, and you need to read the pattern line by line. Our goal is to write code that will take a string and make this conversion given a number of rows. Let's start with a naive approach. One way to solve this problem is to simulate the zigzag pattern by manually writing each character to the appropriate row and then reading each row line by line. This would involve creating an array of strings to represent each row, iterating through the input string and placing each character in the appropriate row based on the current direction, down or up, joining all the rows to get the final result. While this approach works, it involves multiple iterations and can be optimized further. We need a more systematic approach to solve this problem efficiently. Let's use a list of string builder objects to keep track of characters for each row. We'll iterate through the string while maintaining a direction flag to determine whether to move up or down. Here's the strategy: use an array of string builder objects to store characters for each row. Iterate through the input string and add each character to the appropriate string builder based on the current direction. Toggle the direction when we reach the first or last row. Finally, join all the string builder objects to get the result. Let's jump into the code and see how we can implement this approach. Let's break down the code. Initialization: if number rows is 1, return the input string as is. Create an array of string builder objects to store characters for each row. Iterate through the string, use a current row variable to keep track of the current row. Use a going down flag to determine whether to move down or up the rows. Append each character to the appropriate string builder and toggle the direction when reaching the first or last row. Join all the string builder objects to get the final converted string. But why is this approach better? Efficiency: this approach runs in a good time complexity, making it efficient for large input strings. Simplicity: using string builder objects for each row simplifies the process of appending characters and combining the rows at the end. And that's how you solve the zigzag conversion problem using an efficient and systematic approach. This method ensures we handle the string transformation correctly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about future videos. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for other problems you'd like us to solve. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!